today I'm going to teach you how to blend colors by using the Crayola Super Dip markers. Yeah. So here I grabbed two colors. First two colors. Okay. So now what we're gonna do first is use color with the lighter color first. Okay. So then you're gonna go this. We're gonna do this horizontally. So we'll do this left side, and then on the right side we'll do three. So I'll teach you how to blend with three colors later. So let's focus on two. So start here. I'm gonna do this. Yep, this is looking actually beautiful. Sky blue. And then you're going to take the darker color. So we're going to use blue because it's actually a little bit darker. Yeah. So we're just gonna layer it. It's like how I exactly show you from before. And then you'll take, you grab this color again, and you can just try to blend it smoothly like this. Just follow the hues, okay? Yeah. I'm going to regain it. Oh. This is how it's done. Yep, pretty simple. The next one we're gonna be using are those greens. Okay, so first of all, I would like is to use the lighter green, and you can just go here, like at the start. Start with this color first. Because naturally, the more strokes I made, the darker stroke of how it gets. So we're just gonna wait for a while. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the darker color and go for this. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see it because it's way a bit dark. Oh yeah, I think I've already swatched it. And we're gonna do this lighter color, but not the least. And you can just try to blend it. And let's see how much strokes. But remember, you don't have to gain any strengths when you're just trying to blend, because sometimes it'll naturally get a bit darker. The color will now blend it looking different than before. Yeah, so you can't see it because I know I've tried using light green and green. Yeah, but they kind of look similar. Don't you know? Don't you think? So we're on to three right now. We're gonna be doing it on the right side. So make sure what I just told you that we repeat the other steps. And we're just gonna color the way. You don't have to rush, even though every stroke you try to make. Mm-hmm. And then we're just gonna let it dry naturally before we put other colors. So whenever you wanted to blend by using 3 colors, so like these, so you should ever pick with the darkest color at glance. Yeah. So you'll take it and make sure that you don't need to firm with very much pressure, and you can't blend it right away. Then also use with the mids of the color, and you can just go like this. And we can try to blend, and make sure you don't ever need to push in through much pressure. Okay. Last but not the least, you'll also then take with the lighter color, and you can just blend in all the way. Perhaps here's a trick. So slowly use your lightest color of your marker. Start on the left, and you can just blend it through all the way up to, let's say, about here. Do this in about the same process as you can go up. I mean, you can go there, but make sure no sliding, okay? Because if that midst of the color doesn't totally dry up, try using this color again. And just try to do with same process as how you try to go. And make sure you don't ever have to rush. Like few more times until that's how you actually let it be done. Okay. Wasn't that ever look so hard to you? Yeah, I know this is challenging. So we're gonna do the same thing again right here. Okay, so then we're gonna be using these 3 shades of pink. I like pink. So make sure that find the lightest color, like which one's the lightest color. So here, okay? Though it may not be exist, like that stands out for the color order, make sure you need to find which color is the lightest, right? And find which color is the darkest. Yeah, does that stand out easy to you? This would be good. And then use the darkest color. And make sure that when you're layering with the color, you cannot just blend yet, because you have to do 3. Now we'll start to blend out. Just do it in a proper pressure. We'll take this. And now you also take with the lightest color again. And just to make sure that you have to repeat all of the steps. They're pretty simple. Once make sure it's finally done, then you can try to do this. Try as how you can smartly blend it with the right ideal, or when it's the right time to make sure that the colors will never ever smudge. Make sure that none of them will ever dry up. Yeah, you can even see that again. We're gonna do the last time. And I guess it's all okay for that. Okay, so now I will talk to you about the tips. So make sure that when you are possibly blending with markers, you don't ever have to rush and trying not to pressure yourself, because it may contain that when you go blending with it vigorously, it's gonna smudge with all the other colors in different areas. So like that, see, because I even went with blending, and I think also here, because the stands that whenever you darken with pressure enough, even though when it dries up, the paper will go like the page of this paper might ever smudge. So please do be ever careful of that. And I know blending sounds quite challenging, as long as if you ever don't try to pressure yourself, and it's going to take time. Yeah, because I know blending seems like a little bit more fun, so don't ever have to try to pressure yourself, or don't make any like lots of strokes that could go like that cause environmentally more smudge on this piece of paper. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, and I'll see you again next time.